Oh, he just signaled his teammate. Get down, get down. He just signaled his team. Dude, charge the truck and do a bang bang kill, okay? Dean, charge the truck and do it. Dude, he's on the right side of that truck. Can you give cover? I'm going to charge him and get a bang bang, okay?
Oh, wait, I'm going to get up closer to that tree stump right there.
He's on the front end of the truck. There's two of them. Under the truck.
Trying to hit their feet. He's coming around.
Safety kill, safety kill, safety kill! Safety, safety, safety!
You got me.
I don't even know how you didn't hit me.
Wow, I don't know, my gun's shooting all over the place.
Oh.
I'm just going to take a knee. I'm just going to sit down. Yeah.
Left side, left side! We got one on the right, one on the left.
Oh, hey.
I got one. Good kill.
Ah, great.
Hey guys, good rush.
Thank you. Okay. You're the medic, I can't.
Wait, so I just count to 30?
You have to go back to respawn.
Oh. I do? Okay, I'm coming back over.
They got our medic.
Well, I didn't really assign a medic, so...
You just said pick one, right?
No.
Wait.
Well, at least you guys chose a medic, so... But...
I would ask where he was, but dead man can't talk.
Yeah. Oh. Good job, dude.
That's it. This is just all us. No one else over here.